G'day folks, welcome back to Stuff and Such. We're back here with the woodland chipper. Another little problem kind of popped up. I don't know if it's really worth mentioning, but it's something I guess I'll document for now. It could just be a wear item or a bit of a fluke, but anyways, I'll show you. Unfortunately, it's kind of a bit cramped in here. Get you to focus up here. There we go. So this belt comes off the PTO up here. Yeah, like gets power off it, and then it comes down, runs a hydraulic pump on the other side of that. And then this pulley up here comes back up and runs the fan. Now, this pulley here, it's kind of small. So what happens is that there's a pretty small little, when this tensioner, how do I show you here? When this tensioner is set right, the belt now stretches to the point that it just rubs on the other belt and kind of has been basically smoked the bottom cogs off it, and they're not overly important, but the point is that the belt stretched to the point now the tensioner is no longer being useful and it's throwing off the belt all the time, so I got to change it. Now it could be that it's just something that happens. I've never really experienced this with V-belts. I've dealt with a fair amount of them. Typically when they get smoked out, or they get a spot worn on the side that from where it gets stuck and it sits there and smokes it, or they just get so far down into the shivs here that they no longer have any grip. Maybe it's been slipping for a while and I didn't really pick up on it, but hopefully it's not a reoccurring problem. I do have a belt here on hand that I'll throw in. It's not so much that the belt's expensive, it's more the fact that it's a real pain in the rear end to actually change it. So I'll film the process. I won't really chat too much. I'll probably high speed things up, and if there's anything important I'll point it out to you, but let's get into it. To do this according to the manual, you need to take off all this up here, chainsaw bracket holder, and if I remember, getting these bolts down here lined up was rather miserable. So I'm going to attempt to not do that. when you work by yourself, you have to come up with ideas, you know. So overall, wasn't too terrible. About half an hour, I'd say. Probably less next time. It's not so much that it's hard or annoying or expensive, it's just that it kind of feels like it shouldn't have failed like that in the first place. I don't really have an idea, or it's just annoying that this, maybe just a different belt, different quality of belt wouldn't stretch so much, and that would simply fix the issue. But to have a belt go simply because it's touching is kind of annoying, because the belt is still basically brand new. No cracking or anything. It's just it stretches too much. Yeah. Overall, that's I guess how you change it, and so you don't have to take that off. To me, that'd be a big pain in the butt. So you need a stubby wrench, either 3/4 or 9mm, so you can reach down to these top bolts up top and get it in the top there. But other than that, should be all right. Anyways, we'll sign off for now. We'll catch you on the next one, guys.